Did you know that your dinner tonight likely came from a farm that uses more computer power than the first space shuttle? Yes, it's true. The world of agriculture has been revolutionized, and technology is at the forefront of this change. We're not just talking about a few gadgets here and there. We're talking about a complete overhaul with the introduction of advanced technologies. From the Internet of Things, or IoT, to drones, robots, and geographic information system software, the farming industry is riding high on the wave of innovation. These technologies are not just making farming easier, but also more productive and efficient. Imagine a farm where plant health is monitored and controlled through IoT applications, where drones offer accurate and timely data for climate and crop monitoring, where radio frequency identification technology tracks the location and health of livestock and equipment, and where advanced machinery like automatic harvesters and sorters improve farm productivity. This is not some distant future. This is the reality of agriculture today. The farm of today is a far cry from the simple plow and horse of yesterday. The evolution of farming technology is a fascinating journey that has transformed the way we grow and harvest our food. It's a tale that begins with the simplest of tools, the plowshares used by our ancestors. These were powered by the strength of animals and guided by the hands of farmers, who sowed seeds one by one into the furrows of the earth. As the centuries rolled on, the Industrial Revolution brought about a seismic shift in farming practices. No longer were farmers solely reliant on the brute force of beasts and the sweat of their brow. Instead, mechanized equipment, like the steam-powered tractor, began to change the face of agriculture. These machines, with their strength and stamina, could plow fields and harvest crops at a pace that would have been unimaginable to our farming forebears. As we moved into the 20th century, another revolution took place, this time in the realm of chemistry. Synthetic fertilizers and pesticides became widely available, promising to boost crop yields and fend off pests that threatened the fruits of the farmer's labor. The promise was realized, and crop yields soared, but not without a cost. The overuse of these chemicals began to take a toll on the health of our soils and our waterways. But as we've always done, we adapted, we innovated. We turned to technology once again to find solutions to these new challenges. This brought us to the dawn of precision agriculture and digital farming. Now, instead of applying chemicals broadly across a field, farmers can use technology to apply them only where they are needed, and in just the right amounts. This means healthier soils, cleaner water, and more sustainable farming practices. And now, we stand at the edge of a new era in farming technology. An era where the Internet of Things, drones, robots, and advanced software will not just aid but define the way we farm. These are the new powerhouses, the tools that will drive the future of agriculture. From plowshares to powerhouses, the journey of farming technology is a testament to our enduring pursuit of progress. Welcome to the farm of the 21st century, where drones fly overhead and robots tend to the crops. Picture this: an Internet of Things, or IoT, application monitoring the health of each individual plant on a sprawling farm. This isn't some far-off science fiction scenario. It's the reality of modern farming. These IoT applications help farmers make informed decisions about their crops, right down to the optimal time for harvest. And it doesn't stop at the crops. The soil, the lifeblood of any farm, is also under constant surveillance. With this technology, farmers can monitor soil conditions and ensure they're providing the best possible environment for their crops to flourish. But what about climate and weather conditions? That's where drones come in. Drones, once the domain of hobbyists and aerial photographers, have found a new home on the farm. They're the eyes in the sky, providing accurate and timely data for climate and crop monitoring. So if a storm is brewing on the horizon or a heat wave is set to sweep across the fields, the farmer knows about it in advance and can take necessary steps to protect their crops. And let's not forget about the livestock. Radio frequency identification, or RFID technology, is now used to track the location and health of each animal. This helps farmers ensure their livestock are healthy and safe, and also helps in managing their equipment. Last but not least, let's talk about machinery. Gone are the days of manual labor dominating the farming industry. Now, we have innovative machines like automatic harvesters and sorters. These machines speed up the farming process and reduce the physical strain on farmers, allowing them to manage larger farms with fewer hands on deck. Such advancements have revolutionized farming, making it more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. These are not just tools for farming, they're the future of agriculture, and the future is now. With the world population expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, the need for efficient and sustainable farming methods has never been greater. As we step into the future, we find ourselves on the cusp of a farming revolution, one that is driven by technology and innovation. In this rapidly evolving landscape, the role of modern farming technologies is pivotal. They are the power tools that will help us meet the challenge of feeding an ever-growing population. Technologies like the Internet of Things, drones, and geographic information system software have transformed the way we farm, making it smarter, more precise, and far more productive than ever before. These high-tech tools allow farmers to make informed decisions about everything from land selection to crop monitoring and livestock management. They offer real-time data, accurate forecasting, and a level of control that was once unheard of. Take, for example, IoT applications in agriculture. These technologies enable farmers to control plant health, apply nutrients, and assess soil impact with a level of precision that was once unthinkable. Or consider drones, which provide accurate and timely data for climate and crop monitoring. Moreover, radio frequency identification technology allows farmers to track the location and health of livestock and equipment, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. With farm management software and enterprise resource planning systems, farmers can plan and monitor their operations, improving productivity and cost efficiency. But it's not just about making farming more efficient. It's also about making it more sustainable. By reducing waste and optimizing resources, these technologies can help mitigate the environmental impact of farming. Indeed, the future of farming lies not in the soil, but in silicon and software. We are stepping into an era where the farm and the cloud converge, where data drives decisions, and where technology is the key to feeding the world. The future of farming is here, and it's smarter, greener, and more efficient than ever before. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to consider the incredible technology that brought that food to your table. From the transformative power of IoT in monitoring plant health, nutrient application, and soil impact, to the use of drones for accurate climate and crop data, modern farming technologies are revolutionizing agriculture. RFID technology is ensuring the proper tracking of livestock and equipment, while farm management software and ERP systems assist farmers in planning and overseeing their operations. Let's not forget the technologically innovative machinery, like automatic harvesters and sorters, that significantly boost farm productivity. These advancements are not mere novelties. They are essential tools for meeting the escalating demand for quality food as our population continues to grow. The fusion of tradition and technology is creating a new era of farming, where efficiency, sustainability, and productivity are at the heart of the industry. Remember, the farm of the future is here today, and it's more high-tech than you ever imagined. As we wrap up, let's ponder on the incredible journey of farming technology. We've seen how the humble plowshare has evolved into a high-tech powerhouse, revolutionizing the way we farm and the food we eat. Modern technologies, from IoT and drones to RFID and farm management software, have made farming not just more efficient but also more sustainable. These advancements are not just about producing more, they're about producing better. They're about ensuring that as our global population continues to grow, we can meet the escalating demand for quality food. The future of farming is a fusion of tradition and technology, a blend of the old and the new that promises to sustain us for generations to come. So the next time you enjoy a meal, remember the incredible journey that brought that food to your table. Remember the farm of the future is here today, and it's more high-tech than you ever imagined.